So let's go over some of the top 6 benefits of implementing a solution to unify your information, none of which are industry specific. So first, your data becomes discoverable. So this is accomplished by organizing information and tagging files with one or multiple terms, which is metadata, making it extremely easy for users to find what they're looking for exactly when they need it. 2, you can eliminate human error. Try as we might, we humans are prone to making mistakes, which usually increases as pressure builds. Human error runs the risk of filing information in the wrong spot, incorrectly naming it, doing nothing at all with it, or duplicating files and effort. Benefit number 3, it establishes version control. So now from a document control perspective, this is a big one. Version control is how you handle active and superseded revisions. So let's say you have prepared a scope of work document, which defines contract obligations, specifications, schedule, and cost. Now, you issue that to a vendor at revision 0. So let's say in a few weeks' time, that scope of work is updated and it completely removes a section of work and also revises the material specification requirement. So these are really big changes that impact cost and schedule. So you've issued these changes back to the vendor as revision 1. Simple enough, unless you forgot to save Rev 1 in the master repository, but you did save Rev 0 there. So now the only people who know about the updates are you and the email recipient. This can be a big problem. Other project stakeholders weren't properly informed and are still referencing Rev 0 because for all they know, it's still current and accurate as it's the only version that's findable in the document management system. So this can create financial mayhem and schedule delays. And this applies to any document used to inform or base decisions off of. Benefit number 4, it drastically reduces man hours. Time is money, and the worst way to spend money comes in the form of hourly wages spent searching for hard to find documents and recreating them if proven to be lost, which also means you're paying for a document twice. Benefit number 5, increased transparency and traceability. So in other words, this allows you to see who did what and when by creating an audit trail of every user's actions. And lastly, number 6, regulatory compliance. Regulatory requirements are fast becoming more stringent, and there is a growing need for companies to mitigate risks by being able to quickly find sensitive information and provide evidence of business transactions should they ever be audited.